this is Leah, and today we are talking about Parasoft dotTEST product overview. Before we start, I would like to say thank you for joining me today. Under Parasoft dotTEST overview, we have discussed 5 topics. First is capabilities, supported environments, coding standards, and why dotTEST. 5 is resources. Under capabilities, we have to discuss 4 topics. First is static analysis, code coverage analysis, unit testing, and traceability. In static analysis, it is a broad support for languages, prevent and expose defects, find and fix issues rapidly. Testing capabilities included unit testing, code coverage analysis, and code review. For the code coverage analysis, it is track coverage during unit test execution and the data merge. It is integrate with coverage data with static analysis violations and unit testing results. Lastly, it is the achieve test traceability to understand the impact of change, focus testing activities based on risk. Third, under the capabilities is unit testing. It is a high coverage test suite, easily extended and customized, expose functional problems, creating and maintaining robust test suites, integrated with static analysis. Lastly is the traceability. It is to take control of requirements, link requirements with code, prevent unexpected changes, and to satisfy industry standard requirements. And take note that bidirectional requirements traceability with Parasoft. Second topic that we should know about Parasoft dotTEST is supported environments. First is systems. It is with Windows Visual Studio. Frameworks, .NET Framework, .NET Compact Framework, Windows Mobile, and Windows Embedded Compact. Third that we have to know is the source control. There are a few examples of source control, but I'll just give you a 4 example. IBM Rational ClearText, IBM Rational Synergy, Microsoft Team Foundation Server, and Microsoft Visual Source Safe. Third topic is a coding standard. What is a coding standard? It is for security, reliability, performance, and maintainability. In Parasoft, they blended 4 ways to implement a coding standards. It is prevention patterns, bug detection patterns, code metrics patterns, runtime error detection. These are the example of coding standards. Again, there are a lot of coding standards that Parasoft dotTEST used, but I just give you 5 major examples. One is MS Secure Coding Standards. Security constructs that are a part of the .NET. PCI DSS compliance. Develop process to help you achieve payment card. Third is DISA, STIG compliance. This is a cyber security standards. CWE compliance. Dedicated code analysis configurations that map to the best practices. Last is OWASP compliance. It's the implementation and monitoring of coding to best practices. Now that I discussed to you the Parasoft dotTEST, capabilities, environments, and coding standards, now we are asking why dotTEST? I'll give you four reasons why. It is because to increase productivity and software quality, to automate code analysis for compliance, identify runtime bugs without executing software, unit integration and regression testing. Last but not the least is resources. There are a lot of resources that Parasoft dotTEST used, but I'll just give you a 7 example. First is trainee statistic analysis and unit testing case study. Statistic analysis maturity model, how to find security bugs fast, why pro development testing case study, unit testing best practices, and how to avoid security vulnerabilities with statistic analysis. Thank you for spending your time to me today and looking forward to see you for next session. For additional information, please log in to www.espincorp